Hello friends, welcome to our online shopping 24 channel. Hope you are well. Friend, in this video you can see ZZDOG 7/10 PC's high quality cosmetics toolkit, soft makeup brushes, set eyeshadow, powder, foundation, eyebrow blending, beauty brush. Friends, if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel now to get the next video first. In this channel you will find many kinds of products, such as children's toys, pants, shirts, girls and pants shirts, all kinds of beauty parks of girls. You will find many more types of products in our channel. If anyone likes our product, then order now. For details please follow the link. Click the link on the description box below. Thanks so much. Friends, we are submit only most popular and new product. In our online shopping 24 channel you can see women new fashion product, home decoration, electronic, men fashion, baby kid and toys, kitchen accessories, and other recent popular available product. Subscribe to channel now to get more new products, and contact us to order. Click the link description box. Friend, if you want details, please check the video description box below. How about our video? Please let us know in comment. Friends, for everyday new videos, please subscribe the online shopping 24 channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video.